Hello students, in our previous video we learned theory of normal and tangent and also we learned how to find the angle between two curves. Okay, there is a formula for a normal, that is for tangent, the slope of tangent is f dash x 0 and the equation is y minus y0 is equal to f dash x0 x minus x0. Similarly, in normal, that is the taking the inverse minus 1 upon f dash x0 slope, and putting instead of f dash x0 we put minus 1 upon f dash x0, and formula for the finding angle between two curves, that is tan alpha is equal to in mode m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So you have to learn this formula, then after you have to check this exercise 6.3. So first the sum, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. So curve y is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 4x, and dy by dx is equal to derivative 4 come down, 4 3s are 12 in power minus 1, so x cube minus 4, x means 1, 4 ones are 4. Now here the putting x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4, so putting x is equal to 4. 4 cube 64, 64 12s are 768 minus 4. So answer is 764. That is our final answer. So simple, you have what to do, you have to just derivative and then after put the value which is given in question. So second one, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2, x not equal to 2 and x is equal to 10. So here y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2, so that is a division form, so we apply division rule, that is denominator derivative of denominator, numerator upon denominator means then denominator as it is, derivative of numerator minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So here denominator x minus 2 as it is, derivative of x, that is 1, 1 0, 1 minus 0 1 minus numerator as it is, similarly derivative of denominator, that is 1. If we multiply 1 then we get the same answer. So x minus 2, here apply minus, so minus plus become minus and minus minus plus, denominator square as it is, here x cut, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 upon x minus 2 whole square. Here the given is x is equal to 10, so put here x is equal to 10, 10 minus 2 that is 8, 8 square 64, so answer is minus 1 upon 64. Sum number 3 and 4 the same like that sum, so you have to write yourself, okay, you have to do it in homework. Next one, fifth, that is the same and we already performed this type of derivative in chapter number 5. Find the slope of normal. Okay. So what is the formula for find the slope of normal means minus 1 upon f dash x 0. Okay. For normal. To the curve x is equal to a cos cube, y is equal to a sin cube theta, and theta is equal to pi by 4. So you have what to do first, dx by d theta and then after dy by d theta and taking the ratio of both. So you get dy by dx. So perform x is equal to a cos cube dx by d theta, a as it is 3 cos square into derivative of cos minus sin, minus 3a cos square sin theta. Here y is equal to a sin cube, 3 come down, 3a sin square theta, derivative of sin cos theta. Taking ratio 3a cut, 1 time sin cut, 1 time cos cut, sin upon cos 10. Now at which value, that is theta is equal to pi by 4, 10 pi by 4. We know that what is the value of 10 pi by 4, that is 1. So we get the slope of tangent, but we have to find normal. So we have got to do minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So slope of normal at pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by theta is equal to pi by 4, minus 1 upon 1. It means minus. So that is your answer. Sum number 7. Find points at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to the x axis. First section, you have to find the slope, okay, of tangent and as well as normal. Now, here you have to find the points. The curves is given, and there is a statement given that the curve is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so if the parallel to x-axis, then the slope is what? Okay, we already learned in this thing that statements in theory. It means that there is a slope is equal to 0. Okay, so curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. The tangent to the curve is parallel to x-axis, which means dy by dx is equal to 0. Okay, now that is curve is given, so derivative with respect to x, so you get 3x square, 2 come down, 6x minus 9, 3 common, side change, so left x square minus 2x minus 3, 3 ones are 3, with the help of subtraction I need minus 2, so 3 ones are 3, minus 3 plus 1, x square minus 3x plus x minus 3, x common, x minus 3, nothing common, so plus 1, x minus 3 is equal to 0. It means factor is x minus 1, x plus 1. So, comparing with 0, we get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 1. So, we get 2 value of x, that is 2 value. Okay. So, we find out the y. If x is equal to 3, then put here y is equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. Here 3 cube, here 3 raised to power 1, 1 plus 2. 3 cube minus 3 cube, both are cancel. 9 3s are 27 plus 7 minus 20. So first point we get 3 minus 20. Now for second value, x is equal to minus 1 cube minus 1 square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7. Minus 1 cube minus 1, similarly you can cut minus 1 plus minus plus 9 plus 7. Minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 plus 9, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So the required points are 3, minus 20 and minus 1, 14. That is our final answer. So how? So it means that you have to know about that if the curve is parallel to x-axis, then your slope is 0 or the derivative is 0. Okay. Next one. 8. Find the point of the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord. So I need to the points 2, 0, 4, 0. So here the 2 points are given. So you know that how to find the slope. So how you find if the points is given? So there is a formula we already learned in 11th standard, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. That is the formula to find the slope if the points is given. Here the curve is y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So the slope of the tangent 4 minus 0. It means y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 4 by 2. 2 to cut. So we get 2. So we get the slope of tangent when dy by dx is equal to 2. So we have the y. So the derivative of this 2 come down, x minus 2 as it is. Derivative of this bracket, x is 1. 2 means 0. 1 minus 0. 1 into 1, so you get 2 2, third x minus 2 is equal to 1, side change, so 1 plus 2, x is equal to 3. So we get the value of x. So now we find out easily the value of y. So put this value in the curve. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 minus 2 all square, 3 minus 2, 1 square 1. So the required point is V1. That is our final answer. Sum number 9. Find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. So here the curve is given, that is y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. So taking the derivative of the curve, so we get x cube means 3x square, 11x means 11. We just give it to number 1. Here the slope is not given, but we have to find the points, but tangent is given. Okay, so using the tangent equation y is equal to x minus 11. So if we do the derivative with respect to x, so we get the slope. dy by dx is equal to x means 1, 11 means 0. So dy by dx is equal to 1. Here dy by dx is equal to 3 square minus 11. So put here. So we get 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1 using number 1. Okay, minus 11 on this side, so become positive. So 3x square is equal to 12, so x square is equal to 4. So equal to plus or minus 2. So we get the value of x here plus 2 and minus 2. So using that value we are finding the value of y. So we get the required points. If x is equal to 2, then put here 2 cube minus 11 into 2 plus 5. 2 cube 8, 11 is 28. 5. 8 plus 5, 13 minus 22 minus 9. So first point we get 2 minus 9. Now putting x is equal to minus 2 cube minus 8, 11 is 22 minus plus. 22 plus 5, 27 minus 8 plus 19. So second point is minus 2, 19. So that is our required points. Okay. Now next one, find the equation. Okay. So before that, sum number 1 to 9, we find out the slope of tangent, then after slope of normal, then after we find points. How to find the points? Now we have to find the equation. Okay. So there is a new topic. So find the equation of all lines, that is slope minus 1. It means dy by dx is equal to minus 1. That are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. So derivative of this function curve. So we get minus 1 upon x minus 1 all square. Dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 1. So put here minus 1. So we get minus 1 upon x minus 1 all square is equal to minus 1. Side change, minus plus x minus 1 all square is equal to 1. Taking both sides square root, so we get plus or minus 1. It means that x minus 1 is equal to plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 side change, so we get 2. If side change, minus 1, minus become plus, so minus 1 plus 1, 0. Now, we have to find the equation. So, first of all, I have slope with, okay, slope is minus 1, so I need the point. So I get the value of x. So now we find what? X is equal to 2, then y is equal to put here 1 upon 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 upon 1. 1. Similarly, 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 1. So the points are, that is 2, 1 and 0 minus 1. So point 0 minus 1 and slope minus 1. So the equation becomes y. So our equation is y minus y0 is equal to f dash x0 into x minus x0. So here y0 and x0, 0 and y0 minus 1. So the formula is y minus y0 minus plus y plus 1 is equal to slope minus 1, x minus x0. Here x0 is 0, so x minus 0. If we part y plus 1 it is minus x, side change, so it becomes plus x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Second point we get 2, 1. 0.21 is slope minus 1. Y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 x minus 2. Minus applies, so minus x plus 2 side change. X plus y minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So the required equation are x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, 11. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2. Here the slope is 2. Which are tangents to the curve y is equal to 1 upon x minus 3. Both sum are same. Okay, so y is equal to 1 upon x minus 3, taking derivative minus 1 upon x minus 3 all square. Here dy by dx is equal to 2. So side change, so we get x minus 3 all square is equal to minus 1 by 2, which is not possible. If we do in square, then we get always a positive value, not ever negative. So if it is not possible, so there is no point on the curve where slope of the tangent is 2. So we did not find out any equation because we not get any point here. So how we find equation? So we are not able to find equation. Sum number 15. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve. That is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is in that first case is parallel to the line x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. And second, perpendicular to the line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. So we have to find the two equations for that. For first parallel and second for perpendicular to the given line. So here the curve is y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. So taking a derivative, that is 2x minus 2. Now from this 2x minus 5 plus 9. So how to find there is one equation with that is y is equal to mx plus c. So if you convert it, y is equal to 2x plus 9. So your m become 2. So your slope is, the slope of 2x minus y is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to 0 is 2. So how you get 2? So from this equation y is equal to mx plus c. Now dy by dx is equal to 2. So putting here 2 common, side change, x minus 1 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2. Now put this value in this equation. So y 2 square 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 0 plus 7 7. Now the point 2 7 and slope is 2. Putting the equation y minus y 0 that is 7 and x 0 that is 2 and slope to y minus 7 2 into x 2x minus 4 y side change 2x minus y plus 7 minus 4 plus 7 that is plus 3 is equal to 0. Now second, that is perpendicular to the line. Okay, 5y minus 15x is the same. We have to convert y is equal to mx plus c. So side change 15x plus 13 divided by 5. So y here 5 3 7. So 3x plus 13 upon 5 is, so the slope is 3. It means dy by dx is equal to 3. But that is the line is perpendicular. It means that it is the slope of the tangent at the point where it is perpendicular. So slope become minus 1 by 3 because it is a perpendicular. That's why. So it means it shows that there is a normal. dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 3. We have dy by dx 2x minus 2. Minus 2 side change 2 plus 2 minus 1 minus 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5 by 3. 2 come down 5 by 6. Put here in your main equation y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. 5 square 25 by 36 minus 5 by 3 plus 7. 7 is 21 minus 5 16 by 3. Now multiply by 12. So you get final answer 217 upon 36. Now so we have the x and y and slope. So put the equation here y minus 217 by 36 is equal to minus 1 for x minus 5 by 6. 36 y minus 217 upon, and here 6x minus 5 6 come outside 6 3s are 18 18 2s are, so here left 2 2 this side minus 2 6 are minus 12 minus minus plus 10. So minus 12x side change 12x plus 30 6 5 plus 10 become minus 10. So minus 2 1 7 minus 10 minus 2 2 7 is equal to 0. That is our final equation. Sum number 18. For the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. So here the y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. So we are taking the derivative with respect to x. So we get 12x square minus 10x raised to 4. Now we have to assume that the tangent is passing through the some point. So that is the point A to the origin. So slope of tangent dy by dx at AB is equal to x is equal to a. So 12x square minus 10a raised to 4. So equation of tangent become y minus b is equal to slope 12x square minus 10a raised to 4 bracket x minus a. But now the tangent is passing through the origin. So it means x is equal to y is equal to 0. If we put here, so minus b is equal to 12x square minus 10a raised to 4. 0 minus 8 is minus. Multiply and we get b is equal to 12a minus 10a raised to 5. Equation number 1. Since here we assume that is point AB passes through the origin, it means point AB on curve. So since AB lies on the curve, so we get b is equal to, here we put x is equal to a and y is equal to b. So b is equal to 4ab minus 2a raised to 5. Now comparing 1 and 2. I want to find a and b. So we comparing 1 and 2. So we convert into only a. Variable a left. So 4ab minus 2a raised to 5 is equal to 12ab minus 10a raised to 5. 4ab side change 12 minus 4 8. This comes this side 2 minus plus 10 8. Side change 8a raised to 5 minus 8a cube. 8a cube common. A square minus 1 is equal to 0. So a tangent is equal to 0 and a square is equal to 1. So a is equal to 0 and a is equal to plus or minus 1. Now if a is equal to 0, so putting in equation 2, then b is equal to what? Also 0. A is equal to 1, then 4 minus 2, that is 2. Minus a is equal to minus 1, then minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. So the points, required points are 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, that is your sum number 18. Now grinding one we already performed in previous. Okay, so your question is find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which the tangent are parallel to x axis. Okay, so here what to do? Here to given the curve, you have to find out and derivative of that curves, derivative of curve, and so you get the points similar like this. Okay, that is your sum number 19. Now 20, that is find the equation of the normal at the point a square a cube for the curve ay square is equal to x cube. Now curve ay square is equal to x cube. So taking the derivative with respect to x, so y square become 2a, 2ay divided by dx, and x cube become 3x square. Subject divided by dx, so 3x square upon 2ay. Here the point is given, that is am square am cube. So x is equal to am square and y is equal to am cube. 3 am square square 2a am cube. A square m raised to 4 2a square m cube. A square s square m 3m by 2. So the slope of the normal, we know that the normal means that is a reciprocal and opposite. So minus plus become minus and opposite, that is so 3m by 2. So we get the slope minus 2 by 3m. We have the slope and also point. So we find out the equation of the normal is y minus am cube minus 2 by 3m x minus am square. 3m cross multiplication, 3m by 3 am raised to here 3 and 1. So m raised to 4 is equal to minus 2x minus minus plus 2m square. Side change, so 2x 3m by minus 3am raised to 4 minus 1. Here am square common. Left 3m square plus 2 is equal to 0. That is our final answer. Sum number 21. Students, we already performed this sum in previous sum number 14 and before that 9 and in that. Okay, so I just give a hint. So in that sum you have what to do? Find the equation of the normals to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which is parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So you have first of all you have to take the derivative of this sum. So you get 3x square plus 2, and here you have to convert into y form. So 14y is equal to minus x plus 4. Sorry, minus 4, and y is equal to minus x by 14 minus 4 by 14. So y is equal to mx plus c. So you get here m is equal to minus 1 by 14, or m means dy by dx. So here what you have just go to here and comparing with that. Okay, here the normal. So you are taking the normals. Normal, here the dy by dx is 3x square. So if you take a normal, then normal for normal. So you get dy by dx is equal to minus 1/3x square plus 2. Now you have to compare this thing. So you get the value of x and then after y. So you have slope minus 1/14 and go for it. Put slope with point. So you get your equation. Formula is y minus y0 is equal to f dash x0 into x minus x0. But here normal, so your slope become minus 1 f dash x0. So you have the slope and you find out from this x and y. So you get your point and put it in the formula. So you get your equation. Sum number 22. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at the point a square 2at. Okay, this sum you have to find their equation, one for the tangent and for the normal. So first step you know that here what to do, derivative 2y is equal to 4a, 2y divided by dx 4a. So therefore divided by dx is equal to 4a upon 2y. We are cutting, then divide by dx at point is given, that is a square 2at. So here 2a upon y means 2at. So 2a will cut 1 by t. That is slope for tangent. For normal, slope become minus t. So that is your slope. And point is already given, so putting here in the equation y minus y0 is equal to mx minus x0. So you get this, if the slope you take 1 by t, then you get the tangent equation, and if you take minus t, then you get your equation of for normal. Okay, you have to perform next process, next steps are you have to try it yourself. I am already given to you, so you can easily solve this sum. Sum number 23. Prove that curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to xy is equal to k cut at right angles if 8a square is equal to 1. Right angles mean that is, it means the both the slope multiplication is minus 1, also known as orthogonal. Okay, both curves are orthogonal to each other. So here the two curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k. Derivative x1 y square 2y divided by dx. So divided by dx is equal to 1 by 2y. Here multiplication rule apply. X as it is, derivative of y divided by dx plus y, derivative of x1 is equal to 0, divided by dx is equal to minus y upon x. Now taking a one point that curve passes through that x1 y1. Slope of tangent for x is equal to y square and take given name as m1. Divided by dx x1 y1 is equal to 1 upon 2 by 1. Similarly for other curve m2, that is minus y1 upon x1. Now we know that the orthogonal curve that is mentioned in question, so we take m1 into m2. Taking a multiplication 1 upon 2 by 1 into y1 upon x1. y1 y1 minus 1 upon 2x1. So both the curves are orthogonal. So multiplication is minus 1. If you don't want to perform here, so if you go like for directly here, so is it fine? Okay. So minus 1 upon 2x1 is equal to minus 1 minus minus cut. x1 side change. So x1 is equal to 1 by 2. If x1 is equal to 1 by 2, if we have put, then we get y square is equal to y1 square is equal to 1 by 2. Now in another curve, putting the value of x1 and y1. Okay, so the curve is xy, x1, y1 is equal to k. Now taking square of both sides, so we get x1 square, y1 square is equal to k square. Put the value of x1 1 by 2 whole square into 1 by 2, y1 square is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to k square. So we get 1 upon 8 is equal to k square. Side change, so k square is equal to 1. Next 24, find the equation of the tangent and normal. So both equations we have to find. We already lots of practice of that sum. Okay, but here the little bit hyperbola next one I will solve it for you. X square upon x square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 at point x0 y0. So we know that taking the derivative of x square, that is 2x upon a square, 2y upon b square divided by dx is equal to 0. Side change and subject divided by dx, so we get b square x upon a square y. Now at point x0 y0, so slope becomes b square x0 upon a square y0. Equation of tangent at x0 y0. So we are putting in equation y minus y0, slope is b square x0 upon a square y0 s minus x0. Now here y0 side change and b square side change, so we get y into y0 upon b square minus y0 square upon b square is equal x0 into x upon x square, x0 square upon x square. Now x0 square x square and y0 b square one side and other side. So we get x0 upon x square minus y0 b square is equal to x0 square upon x square minus y0 b square. So that is the value of 1. Okay, from this equation. So first equation we get. Now we have to find the normal. So slope of normal taking opposite of that reciprocal and opposite. So minus a square y0 upon b square x0. So equation of normal y minus y0 is equal to minus a square y0 upon b square x0 x minus x0. Now this a square y0 side change here, y minus y0 upon x square y0. This minus side change, so 1 plus x minus x0 upon b square x0 is equal to 0. Sum number 25, you have to perform at your home. Okay, for there is a equation. Curve is given y is equal to root 3x minus 2 and one of the line is also given. So here what to do? Derivative of curve and then line comparing y is equal to mx plus 3, so you get m, and compare it and you get the points. Then after you can find out the equation. If you have any doubt in this exercise, here the exercise completed. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.